Craft Wok traditional hand-hammered carbon steel Pow Wok with wooden and steel helper handle, 14-inch, round bottom, 731W88. 15 gauge, 1.8 mm, carbon steel, commercial grade. Original design by Craft Wok since 2014, proven quality over the years. Traditional Chinese wok pan with round bottom, not suitable for flat electric or flat induction stove. Do not forget to season it before use. Instructions for easy seasoning are included with the wok. Our customer service is ready to guide through the process whenever you need it. Hand-hammered by Chinese professionals in Guangzhou. This wok is the proven choice of many professional Chinese chefs. Steel helper handle will not burn when you stir-fry over high heat, also helpful for hanging the wok for storage. Wooden handle has special hygroscopic not slippery surface for tight grip when you stir-fry. Craft Wok, love wok. We are a team of professionals drawn together by our passion for the carbon steel wok. Our mission is to bring you as much pleasure from stir-frying in a wok as chefs get in restaurants across China. To do this, we have found the best manufacturers in China. Our range of branded products is 100% authentic traditional carbon steel woks, 5 years on market. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.